Hey, so here it is. This is for day 2. Might get to this day 1, but definitely want to get it done by day 2. So this kind of a recap. Go through the tutorial. Once you're remoted in, go ahead and launch the game engine. You're going to set up a new project. It's going to be a third person. You're going to set it up on your H drive, and you're going to go through the tour. So we're going to do a game project. It's going to be a third person to play with here. We're going to make sure we do have our desktop with starter. Make sure all of the settings are going to give you a good result. Make sure it's on your H drive in your subfolder, and give it some type of a short and meaningful name, no spaces. And the whole purpose of this is to go through the game engine and let it walk you through the different steps of understanding the interface so that you can do more with it. You'll repeat this. There's going to be 3 major categories, and then there's going to be one of them is going to have 3 subsections. So more or less you're going through 6 guided tours within the tool. And the way you're going to launch them is by way of this little cap up here. It looks like a graduation cap, I guess. And what you're going to go through is you're going to go through 1, 2, 3, and this third one really has got 3 parts within it. So you're going to be using you're going to learn how to use the tool, how to move around, and when they say content browser, or if they say scene explorer, or if they say an actor, you'll kind of understand what's going on with them. So this is what you're going to want to get through on Tuesday. The result of it should be a demonstration screen capture of some type that you've again created one of these that's got your name in it and that you understand what's going on. You're going to be repeating this tour process as often as you need to so that you get to a point that you understand what's going on. Right? So you don't need, for example, to turn in your work with the word third person here. If you turn in your work that way, you really haven't taken time to customize it to show who did the work. So make sure you get in the habit when you get these levels open that you actually change it so it doesn't say third person. This is a requirement for you to make sure you're understanding. You can highlight an actor and then change the properties, which have been exposed down here. This happens to be the text. Just put your name in there. Make sure we can understand who did it. You can position it, size it, scale it. You could put your logo in there. You could put your image in there if you want to, but you definitely have to have your name in there. So that's going to be the Tuesday thing. You'll be picking up after this, and you're going to be creating the level following a standard tutorial. That standard tutorial is going to be linked in our classwork for the day. So that's going to be the third thing you're going to do, is this Level Designer Quick Start. So that's what you'll be doing as well. And then starting on Wednesday, we're going to be jumping into the Unreal Engine Academy, providing you with rich resources here as well as my support. You can go through this content easier on your own than have me read it to you, because you can pause it, replay it, change the playback speed as many times as you want to. And I'm there to support you, so be resourceful. But ultimately, this comes down to what you can do now that you've got access to the lab. You've practiced on similar tools, and we're going to give you lots of button time, lots of experience at working on these systems to create your portfolio. It's going to be a great semester. You're going to love it. Let me know how I can help.